If you're looking to streamline your software development workflow, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use Monday.com for software development, and we'll also cover what it does well, where it falls short, and what could be better for your needs. Stick around until the end because I'm going to share an exclusive offer you won't want to miss. Let's jump right into it. Monday.com is a work operating system that allows teams to collaborate on projects, track progress, and manage workflows. It can definitely be a helpful tool for software development teams, offering custom workflows, timelines, and integrations. However, depending on your specific needs, it's not always the perfect fit. First, one of the main features of Monday.com is its customizability. You can build boards tailored to any software development process, whether it's Agile, Scrum, or Kanban. You can add columns to track task progress, deadlines, priorities, and dependencies. Plus, the ability to automate workflows makes repetitive tasks like updating status or notifying teammates much more efficient. But if you're a small team with a lot of specific needs, this can sometimes feel like overkill, and you may find yourself spending more time customizing than actually using the tool. Next thing, let's talk about integrations. Monday.com offers a lot of integration options with popular development tools like GitHub, Jira, and Slack. This allows you to pull in data from your code repositories, manage bugs, and track communication all in one place. However, not every integration is seamless, and you might experience some lag time or need to do additional setup to get things running smoothly, especially with third-party tools. Now, the fourth thing to mention is the visual interface. Monday.com's design is colorful, clean, and relatively easy to understand. For a software development team, it's beneficial to have a visual representation of tasks and their status and Monday. Com does a solid job of that, but for larger teams or projects with complex workflows, it can get a bit cluttered. You may have to constantly scroll or open multiple boards to get a comprehensive view of everything, which can lead to inefficiencies. Then there's reporting and analytics. Monday.com does offer some level of reporting, but if you need in-depth insights into the productivity of your team or detailed progress tracking across multiple projects, you might find it lacking. It's not quite as advanced in reporting as some specialized project management tools designed specifically for software development. The last thing to consider is the pricing. While Monday.com's pricing is reasonable for small teams, it can quickly get expensive as you scale. Features like advanced reporting, integrations, and automation are only available in the higher tier plans, which can be a real barrier if you're a growing company on a budget. So, is Monday.com the best choice for your software development needs? It can be, but it depends on your team size, workflow, and budget. However, there are alternatives out there that might serve you better depending on your goal. I'll talk more about that in a minute, but before we wrap up, let me remind you that through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive, extended free trial to Monday.com, something not available anywhere else. But if you're looking for a tool that's even more focused on software development, with stronger integrations and reporting tools, I highly recommend checking out some alternatives. These offer competitive pricing, better customization for developers, and integrations that truly streamline your workflow. I'll mention them shortly, but first, don't forget to check the link for the best Monday.com trial for our viewers. Thanks for watching and happy developing!